Welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info. In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro. In this video I'm going to show you how to take macro photos on this device. So the quickest way will be to open your camera, and then you want to bring your phone very close to your subject that you want to take picture of. I have this sign right here, so let's take a picture. And let's see what we get. As you can see, this photo is very detailed. You can see every single detail on this photo. So this is macro mode, but if for some reason macro mode doesn't want to turn itself on, then you have to go to settings right here and then find section macro photos. You have to set it to on. This way macro mode will be turned on manually, but of course if you want you can keep it to auto so that your camera will switch between macro mode and regular mode while you take pictures. But for some reason there could be here it could say unavailable, and let me quickly change my settings so that it will show unavailable. And if you have this message as well, then let's tap on this question mark right here, and it explains me that macro photos mode is not available because one of these features are on. So those features could be auto night sight, lock focus, manual focus, and manual lens selection. The most common reason, as I shown you, is located in the Pro section, and here you can see lens selection. You have to set it to auto, and this is actually the most common reason why your macro mode will not turn itself on. But if you have it auto and then here you still have unavailable, then you need to disable all other features in your camera, such as auto night sight, lock focus, manual focus, etc. So that is basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this was helpful for you, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one.